Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, back again with me Eka Wahiltami, usually called Eka, from University PGRI Madiun Mathematics Education Study Program with team 23021100001. To fulfill the final English semester exam score, I will explain about operation of sets. Before explaining, I apologize if my English is not fluent and unclear. But don't worry, because there will be a PowerPoint. Have you ever had the term set? For example, you crows, cars, buffalo, horse, cats, into four legend animals. Well, that means you are creating a collection of four legend animal. Just like number, sets can also be operated on. So, what are set operation like? Read the full review. A set is a collection of objects or things that have the same characteristic and can be clearly divided. For example, the set of four legend animals, the set of word formation, and so on. Sets are usually written with curly braces. Inside the curly braces are written the satisfying member. In this video, we will discuss about operation of sets. So let's take a look at the complete explanation below. Okay, I will explanation about operation of set. I have learning purpose, that is, student can identify sets, student can understand operation on set, and student can do practice question regarding operation on set. And the sub-chapter that I will explain is about union of sets, intersection of sets, different offsets, symmetric different offsets, complement of sets, and Cartesian product of sets. The first material is union of sets. The union of two sets A and B is a set whose member consists of all the members of sets A or B. The notation used is A union B. Mathematically, A union B include elements X such that X is element of A or X element of B. Example, if A have elements is 1, 7, 8, 9, and B have element is 2, 7, and 9. What is A union B? The answer is A union B is 1, 2, 7, 8, and 9. So you combine both members of A and B. The second material is intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is a set whose member consists of members of set A who are also members of set B. In this case, the notation A intersection B is used mathematically. A intersection B equal include elements X such that X is element of A and X element of B. Example, if A have elements that is A, B, C, D, and B have element C, D, E, F. What is A intersection B? The answer is A intersection B is C and D. So you only write the same members. Like uh from two from A and B, the same member just C and D. Okay, next, difference of set. If there are two sets A and B, then the difference of two sets A and B is equal to the sets which consist of elements present in A but not in B. It is represented by A minus B. Example, if A have element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B have element 2, 4, 6, and 8. What is A minus B? The answer is A minus B is 1, 3, and 5. So you just write the members of A that are not the same as B. The next material is symmetric difference of sets. If two sets A and B are given, then the symmetric difference consists of elements that are either both A and B, but not in both. To note with symmetric difference between set A and B equal to A main B union B main A, or symmetric difference between sets A and B equal to A union B minus A intersection B. Example, A have element, if A have element 1, 2, 3, 5, and B have element 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is A? What is symmetric difference between A and B? Symmetric difference set A and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. So you just read it's not the same about A and B. In A and B, the same member is 5. So you don't write 5 in answer. And the last material is Cartesian product of sets. The product of sets A and B is a new set whose members are ordered pairs X, Y. In this case, the notation A multiplication B is used. Mathematically, it can be expressed as A multiplication B equal X, Y such that X element A and X element B. Example, if A have element A, B, and B have element C and D, what A multiplication B and B multiplication A? The answer is A multiplication B have element AC, AD, BC, and BD. And B multiplication A have element CA, CB, DA, and DB. Okay, Thank you for your attention. I hope I can get a satisfactory grade, and I hope this video can be useful for all of you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's all for me. More or less, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.